Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be opening up this brand new 2019 21.5-inch 4K iMac. Joining me today is Matt, who's going to be helping me tear open this machine. Matt, how do we go about opening up this iMac?
Well, first we're going to want to take off the glass.
Okay. Well, let's jump right into it then.
So we'll be first going around the perimeter of the glass with an iMac screen removal tool. There are a couple of cables to get out of the way before we can remove it, but then we'll get to see what's inside. It seems like the adhesive might be stronger than previous models.
Now you're moving towards the camera here. Is there a cable that you got to be careful for?
Yeah, you need to move around it. The adhesive actually ends right here and here, so you can just...
So you don't cut all the way through, you kind of...
No, yeah, you just...
Oh, neat.
Move it.
Okay, nice. Now that we've got the screen off, Matt, tell me, what are we looking at here?
We have the two speakers here. We've got the main board, the power supply, hard drive, fan, and the heatsink for the CPU.
One thing I'm noticing right away is there aren't any memory modules on this computer. Can this iMac's memory be upgraded?
In previous models, the memory would be on the opposite side of the board, so we would have to take out speakers, power supply, fan.
So we basically have to remove all these components to see if the memory can be upgraded?
Yeah.
Well, how about you say we do it then?
Sure.
Man, how many iMacs like this have you opened and torn down like this before?
Hundreds.
Hundreds?
Hundreds.
Wow. So you're a professional at it, would you say?
Yeah.
All right. This iMac's in good care then.
So it's looking like the right speaker isn't going to come out all the way until we get the motherboard out. So we're going to move on to the fan.
Well, that looked easy.
Actually remove the hard drive before the speaker. This should slide out, but when you're sliding this out, you want to be careful because the power buttons cable runs along it in a groove down here. So you're going to want to pop that out, disconnect it.
All right, Matt, now that we got the motherboard out of the computer, and great job, by the way,
Thank you.
what are some things you notice about this board?
So the two things that come to mind immediately is the cage around the RAM, and also the SSD missing the connector there. So this is the base model that we have here. So it seems like if you want an SSD in this machine, especially like for future upgrades, then you're going to want to buy like the lowest model with an SSD so that you can upgrade it later on if you...
Okay. So in other words, if you don't order the machine with a PCIe SSD installed, you won't have the actual hardware to later add a drive to a machine.
Yes.
But the 2.5-inch drive bay is upgradable either way, so you could still replace the 2.5-inch factory drive with a solid-state drive if you want.
Yeah.
Why did they put a cage over the memory like that?
Maybe it might be a preventative measure. They started doing that with the newer Mac Minis as well. So there's a cage around those.
All right, Matt, from everything that we see here, it looks like this board has the potential for the RAM to be upgraded.
Yes, from what we're seeing here, that there might be a potential to upgrade the RAM in this model.
Oh, that's amazing. Let's go ahead and lay out all the components from the iMac and take a final look. And that was a quick teardown of this iMac. Very similar to some previous models, but there were a few differences.
So yeah, the major differences that we're seeing here is there's a cage around the RAM, some reinforcement to the socket, some cable differences, and it's nice to see that there's still upgradability with the newer iMacs.
That's awesome. Yeah, I know I'm personally super excited to be able to upgrade this iMac as well. So Matt, thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate you helping with the machine. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yay, high five. Make that the outro.